spin the job wheel again.
Imagine.
Look, it's pointing to the rescue bouncer. Firefighters use them to catch people safely when they fall.
Then we better make sure they're good and bouncy.
Right. Ready, Mr. Practice Dummy?
Then let the bouncification begin.
Look.
These bouncers really work.
Yes, it has been bouncing for a long, long time. We better get it off there, so I'll bounce on and catch it. Whee! Oh, this is fun. I'd say the bouncers have been bouncified.
Time to spin the job wheel again.
As you can see, just turned the laptop on. The modem has rebooted itself. This is the problem we've been having for ongoing a year now. This is a brand new modem. It's only been put in 2 days ago. It's a Thompson modem and it's 50 meg speed. And as you can see, I've just logged onto the internet and the modem has rebooted itself. So as you can see, the lights are still flashing there.
Bye-bye.
Well, the hose is good and squirty.
And I'm good and wetty.
Oh, there, go treacle. Get treacle. To go on this.
Oh, these toasted marshmallow waffles are delicious. Hey, Bongo, when you get finished putting up the tent, you gotta come and try some of these. Bongo? Bongo?